All right, so what are our objectives for today? Today, we are going to infer the themes of a story. Why is this important? When you are able to infer the themes of a story, you're able to figure out the lessons about life that the author wants to teach you, and that can help you really deal with difficult things in your own lives. And we are going to do this by discussing the problems and solutions of the story and also using some sentence starters and a graphic organizer. All right, so first, our Civil War video. Civil War video for today is going to be about an enslaved person who escaped to freedom in a box. While you watch the video, I want you to listen for what surprised you. Even if you already know this story, still think about what's surprising about this story. There's one vocabulary word that I want to review before we watch the video, and that word is abolitionist. Everyone say it with me. Abolitionist. One more time. Abolitionist. An abolitionist, in Spanish is abolicionista, is someone who fought to abolish slavery. Remember that abolish means to get rid of. So when you think of abolitionist, would you go like this? Everyone say abolitionist. Abolitionist, somebody who wants to get rid of slavery. So for example, Harriet Tubman was an abolitionist because she helped many slaves escape to freedom. So in this video, you're going to see that the enslaved person who escapes to freedom got help from an abolitionist. All right, think about what is surprising you from the video.